Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add clock widget to your iPhone screen. Alright, let's get started. So first make sure you have iPhone updated to your latest version, and here you can see we have our two widgets right now, which is a Google search and a TikTok. So to add a clock widget, what you have to do is follow the steps in the video until the end. So now let's start with the video. So first step, what you have to do is tap and hold on to your iPhone screen until you get this option. So now what you have to do is just here you have to remove your widget that you already have here. So once you do that, here you can see we have our widget option, and here you can see the clock option. So what you have to do is just click on this clock over here, and here on the bottom you can see the add widget option. So what you have to do is just click on this add widget. So over here you can see the various clocks, various types of clock that you can add. You can just scroll down to whatever clock you'd like to add onto your screen. So over here we have 4 different options. As you can see, this is our clock options for the widget in iPhone screen. So now let's go and add this widget. So here, as you can see, this is already set over here. So I'm just going to remove this widget so it looks nice. So I'm just going to remove this as well, and you can just add another clock. Here you can add a world clock so that you will be able to get various time zones in one widget only. So yeah, that's the method. And as you can see, our clock widget has been added to our iPhone. So that is how you'll be able to add clock widget to your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.